little darlings. First, wipe off the oil on your face with a damp cotton pad. Then start by moisturizing your skin and your lips. Next, use a peachy concealer to cover under-eye circles. Dab it gently with your finger from the edge and blend it out. Take the lightest shade of concealer to highlight the center of the face. Apply it lightly on the T-zone, chin, and forehead. Use a puff to blend it out evenly. For foundation, use a more natural toned one, maybe one shade darker, starting from the outer cheeks and blending inward to avoid harsh lines. Use whatever is left on your puff to press over your eyelids as a base. Spray some setting spray over your face and use a mini fan to dry it quickly. Then apply pressed powder to remove excess and set the under-eye area. Use small beige-brown palette shade to define the eyes and egg yolk under-eye area. Then use the shimmery shade to brighten the same area. Go back to the beige-brown to define the outer lower lash line and connect it slightly upward to the outer corners. Use a baked milk tea shade all over the lids and brush it lightly under the eyes too. Deepen the lash line with a dark brown shadow, following your eye shape and lifting it slightly at the tail. Fill in the outer V of your eyes with dark brown and add a sparkly shimmer to the center of the eyelid. Apply false lashes. Lift the outer edge slightly for a soft fluttery look. Adjust the shape gently with your fingers if needed. Contour under the cheekbones for a natural sculpt. For the nose, contour in a diamond shape at the tip. Emphasize the brow bone area and both sides of the chin. Sweep your brush gently in the direction of your contour lines. Blend downward along the sides of the nose bridge. Use a pale yellow blush as a base layer across your cheeks and nose in a horizontal triangle shape, from the cheekbone inward. Layer a deeper shade on top to a dimension and bring back a natural flush. Tap with a puff to soften the edges. Add a bit of blush to the chin and under the nose tip too. Dot a little eyeshadow near the brows to unify the face's color tone. Cover up that annoying pimple with concealer. Define the outer lip line with a reddish-brown shade. Deepen the inner lips with a darker lipstick, then use a glossy tint to add shine. Don't forget the brows. Use brow powder and a brow brush to fill in sparse areas, extend the tail, and define the arch and front. Go in with a brow pen to add hair-like strokes and enhance texture. For freckles, dot them along the nose bridge and outer cheeks. Don't place them in the highlighted center areas to keep the face clean and natural. Vary the size by adjusting pressure, making them random but concentrated for realism. Use mascara to blend your real and false lashes. Apply it to the bottom lashes in a zigzag motion for that natural separation. Highlight the tip of the nose, the bridge, and the inner corners of the eyes with a shimmer shade from your palette. And that's it. Your French countryside freckle makeup is done.